He's coming this way, buddy.
Can you zoom in with that?
He's looking for the turkeys.
What's that black thing right there? A crow? He's standing next to a crow? Is he gonna eat it?
Check that bastard out.
Is that a crow he's sitting with?
He's got fleas.
Look, he's sitting with that crow. Where'd he go?
Damn, he's hunting him.
What's he looking at?